www.stacyjacobsen.com. Well, would our area be able to handle a sudden influx of people? Local officials want to answer that question, and they're starting today at a session in Buchanan. Stacy Jacobsen was there. And Stacy, what are the authorities planning?
Stacey, they're planning an exercise that will test all of our emergency agencies, and the exercise is funded by the West Virginia Department of Homeland Security.
Time for 45 ammo.
Buchanan police use this system to communicate with each other, but to talk to the sheriff or agencies in other counties, they switch to the interoperable radio. It creates a lack of communication that emergency planners want to correct.
This exercise is going to be a communications-based exercise to make sure that all the counties and all the agencies are able to interoperate.
The office held a meeting today to plan for a drill in August that will test the capabilities of 9 counties to handle a mass migration to central West Virginia.
It could be the collapse of a dam in the southern part of the state. It could be a tornado rips through this county or an adjoining county.
If something happens in the Baltimore, D.C. metroplex, could be a severe storm, could be a terrorist incident, and people are going to have to migrate out of that area, and the only choice they have is to go west.
Now, officials say that this hotel, the Bicentennial Inn, is one of only 2 in Upshur County, but they also say that in order to provide the best emergency planning possible, there just must be more places for people to stay.
The federal government, through the state, has been providing us with some valuable assets for the past 2 years, but we have a long way to go.
And it starts with the test.
There will be a disaster of some type someday, and whatever you practice for can always be used.
Now, the Office of Emergency Management is also looking for more volunteer shelters, and they say that the test will take place on August 17th. For 12 News, I'm Stacy Jacobsen.